A day in Emma's life, morning routine. Emma is a young woman. She lives in a small apartment in New York City. Every morning she wakes up at 7 a.m. She opens her eyes and stretches. The sun shines through the window. She gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. In the bathroom, Emma washes her face and brushes her teeth. Then she takes a quick shower. The warm water feels good. After her shower, she dries her hair and puts on her clothes. Emma goes to the kitchen. She is hungry. She makes toast with butter and a cup of tea. She eats her breakfast slowly while looking at her phone. She checks the weather. Today it is sunny and warm. After breakfast, Emma puts on her shoes and takes her bag. It is time to go to work. Going to work, Emma works at a school. She is a teacher. Every day she takes the bus to work. She walks to the bus stop near her house. The bus arrives at 8 a.m. Emma gets on the bus and sits near the window. The city is busy in the morning. Many people are going to work. The streets are full of cars and bicycles. Emma looks outside the window and watches the city. After 20 minutes, the bus arrives at her school. Emma gets off and walks to the school building. At school, Emma teaches English to young children. She enters her classroom and prepares for the lesson. She writes on the board with white chalk. The children arrive and sit at their desks. Emma starts the lesson. She teaches colours, numbers, and simple words. The children repeat after her. They learn new words and practice writing. At 10:30 a.m., it is break time. The children go outside to play. Emma sits at her desk and drinks some water. She checks her lesson plans and prepares for the next class. Lunchtime. At 12:30 p.m., it is lunchtime. Emma goes to a small cafe near the school. She orders a sandwich and orange juice. The cafe is busy. Many people are eating lunch. Emma sits at a table near the window. She enjoys her meal and watches people walk outside. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. After eating, she pays for her food and walks back to school. Afternoon at work. In the afternoon, Emma has more classes. She teaches older students. They learn grammar, reading, and writing. The students listen carefully and take notes. At 3 p.m., school finishes. The children pack their bags and go home. Emma stays at her desk and checks some papers. She prepares lessons for the next day. At 4 p.m., she leaves the school and walks to the bus stop. The bus arrives and she gets on. She sits and listens to music on her phone. Evening routine. Emma arrives home at 4:30 p.m. She takes off her shoes and sits on the sofa. She is tired but happy. She watches TV for a while and then checks her phone. At 6 p.m., Emma goes to the kitchen to cook dinner. She makes pasta with tomato sauce. The smell is delicious. She eats slowly and enjoys her meal. After dinner, Emma washes the dishes and cleans the kitchen. Then she takes a book and reads for an hour. Reading helps her relax. At 9 p.m., she feels sleepy. She changes into her pajamas and brushes her teeth. She lies in bed and closes her eyes. The day was long, but it was good. Soon she falls asleep, ready for a new day tomorrow.